Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Avoiding 10 breakfasts that skyrocket stroke risk and heart disease today. We're diving into a crucial topic affecting millions. Breakfast choices' impact on heart health. Did you know that certain breakfast foods can significantly increase your risk of stroke and heart disease? It's true. Many popular morning meals are loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system. In this video, we'll explore 10 specific breakfasts that you should avoid to protect your heart and overall well-being. We aim to empower you with knowledge to make informed dietary choices and promote a healthier lifestyle. Understanding the dangers of these standard breakfast options allows you to take actionable steps to reduce your risk of severe health issues. Remember, it's not just about what you eat. It's about making choices that support your long-term health. So, stick around as we break down these breakfast pitfalls and offer healthier alternatives to keep your heart happy and thriving. Let's get started on this journey to better heart health together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding stroke risk. How breakfast choices can influence stroke risk. Regarding stroke risk, what you eat for breakfast can play a significant role. Research shows a strong connection between diet and the incidence of strokes. Consuming a breakfast high in saturated fats, sugars, and processed ingredients can lead to increased blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are significant contributors to stroke risk. Certain nutrients can help lower that risk. For instance, incorporating whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your morning meal provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote heart health. Nutrients like potassium and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial, as they help regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. It's essential to recognize that early dietary habits set the stage for long-term health. Establishing a nutritious breakfast routine can significantly reduce your risk of stroke later in life. By making conscious choices now, you're fueling your body for the day ahead and investing in your future health. So, let's look at those breakfast options at breakfast that can elevate or diminish your stroke risk and learn how to make smarter choices for a healthier tomorrow. Heart disease and breakfast. Exploring the relationship between breakfast foods and heart disease. Breakfast is often touted as the most important meal of the day, but not all breakfast foods are created equal, especially regarding heart health. Many everyday breakfast items, such as sugary cereals, pastries, and processed meats, are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. These foods are typically high in saturated fats and added sugars, which can contribute to the development of coronary artery disease. Saturated fats can raise your LDL cholesterol levels, leading to plaque buildup in the arteries. At the same time, excessive sugar intake can result in obesity and insulin resistance, both significant risk factors for heart disease. When you start your day with these unhealthy options, you may be setting the stage for long-term cardiovascular issues. Conversely, a heart-healthy breakfast can be vital to overall heart health. Incorporating whole grains, fruits, and healthy fats can help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure. Making informed choices at breakfast can support your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. So, let's explore which breakfast we avoid and discover healthier alternatives that will nourish your heart and body. Breakfast foods to avoid. 10 specific breakfast foods that should be avoided. Some choices can harm your heart health regarding breakfast. Here are 10 specific breakfast foods you should steer clear of. 1. Sugary cereals. Many processed cereals, like Frosted Flakes and Fruit Loops, are loaded with sugar, often exceeding 20 grams per serving. This spike in sugar can lead to energy crashes and increased cravings later in the day. 2. Breakfast pastries. While croissants and danishes may be tempting, they often contain trans fats, which can raise harmful cholesterol levels and lower good cholesterol, increasing heart disease risk. 3. Pancakes with syrup. While delicious, pancakes topped with syrup can be a sugar bomb, contributing to weight gain and insulin resistance. 4. Commercial muffins. Often mistaken for a healthy option, many store-bought muffins are packed with sugar and unhealthy fats, making them more like dessert than breakfast. 5. Processed breakfast meats. Sausages and bacon are high in sodium and saturated fats, which can elevate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 6. Bagels with cream cheese. Bagels can be deceptively high in calories and refined carbs, especially when slathered with cream cheese. 7. Granola bars. Many granola bars are marketed as healthy but can contain excessive sugars and unhealthy oils. 8. Fruit juices. Even 100% fruit juices can be high in sugar and lack the fiber in whole fruits. 9. Instant oatmeal packets. Often flavored and sweetened, these can contain added sugars that negate the health benefits of oats. 10. Caffeinated energy drinks. While not a traditional breakfast item, many people consume these in the morning, and their high sugar and caffeine content can lead to heart issues. By avoiding these breakfast foods, you can take significant steps toward better heart health and overall well-being. Atherosclerosis and diet. How certain breakfasts can contribute to atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a condition characterized by the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can lead to serious heart health issues, including heart attacks and strokes. This plaque primarily comprises cholesterol, fats, and other substances that can harden and narrow the arteries, restricting blood flow. Confident breakfast choices can significantly exacerbate this condition. For instance, consuming cholesterol-rich foods like processed meats and full-fat dairy products can elevate your LDL, bad cholesterol levels, contributing to plaque formation. When these foods are part of your morning routine, they can negatively affect your cardiovascular health. On the other hand, starting your day with fiber-rich breakfasts can help combat atherosclerosis. Foods like oatmeal, whole grain toast, and fresh fruits are excellent sources of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Fiber aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking later in the day. You can proactively prevent atherosclerosis and support your heart health by making informed breakfast choices. Prioritizing fiber-rich options over cholesterol-laden foods is a simple yet effective strategy for a healthier future. Stroke recovery nutrition. The role of nutrition in stroke recovery. Nutrition plays a vital role in stroke recovery, significantly influencing healing and overall brain health. After a stroke, the body requires essential nutrients to repair damaged tissues and support cognitive function. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can promote healing and enhance recovery. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are crucial for brain health. Additionally, whole grains provide the necessary energy and fiber to support digestive health and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Balanced meals are essential for optimal recovery. A well-rounded diet that includes lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables can help ensure that your body receives the nutrients it needs to heal effectively. One key component to consider is omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for brain health. Incorporating sources of omega-3s, such as flax seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish like salmon, into your breakfast can be particularly beneficial. Starting your day with a smoothie that includes spinach, berries, flaxseed, or a bowl of oatmeal topped with walnuts can provide a powerful nutritional boost for your recovery journey. Prioritizing these dietary choices can make a significant difference in your healing process. Tips for stroke prevention. Actionable tips for preventing strokes through diet. Preventing strokes starts with making informed dietary choices, and there are several actionable tips you can implement today. First and foremost, prioritize the consumption of whole grains and fruits. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, are rich in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and maintain healthy blood pressure. Similarly, incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall cardiovascular health. Hydration is another critical factor in stroke prevention. Staying well hydrated helps regulate blood pressure and supports optimal blood flow. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon into your meals. Meal prepping healthy breakfasts is an effective strategy to avoid unhealthy choices during busy mornings. By preparing nutritious options in advance, such as overnight oats with fruits and nuts or veggie-packed egg muffins, you can ensure that you start your day with heart-healthy foods. This saves time and reduces the temptation to reach for processed or sugary breakfast items. By following these tips, you can take proactive steps toward reducing your stroke risk and enhancing your overall health. Improving heart rate and blood pressure. How breakfast choices can affect heart rate and blood pressure. Your breakfast choices can significantly impact your heart rate and blood pressure throughout the day. High sugar breakfasts, such as sugary cereals or pastries, can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This sudden surge often results in an increased heart rate as your body works to manage the excess sugar, which can strain your cardiovascular system unnecessarily. Conversely, choosing heart-healthy foods can help stabilize blood pressure. Incorporating whole grains, such as oatmeal or whole grain toast, along with fruits like bananas and berries, provides essential nutrients and fiber that promote steady energy levels and support heart health. Foods rich in potassium, such as avocados and leafy greens, are particularly effective in helping to regulate blood pressure. In addition to making intelligent breakfast choices, regularly monitoring your heart health metrics, including ensuring heart rate and blood pressure, is crucial. Tracking these numbers can help you identify patterns and adjust your diet and lifestyle. By being proactive about your breakfast choices and overall heart health, you can take significant steps to improve your cardiovascular well-being and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Nutrition for heart health. Key nutritional principles for maintaining heart health. Heart health is fundamentally rooted in the principles of good nutrition. One of the most critical aspects is adopting a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. Aim to maximize nutrient intake by filling half your plate with various colorful fruits and vegetables at every meal. Antioxidants play a crucial role in preventing heart disease by combating oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Foods such as berries, dark chocolate, and leafy greens are excellent antioxidants, helping protect your heart from damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can significantly enhance your heart health. Additionally, it's vital to reduce processed foods, often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Instead, focus on increasing whole foods, such as whole grains, lean proteins, nuts, and seeds. These nutrient-dense options not only support heart health but also promote overall wellness. By embracing these vital nutritional principles, you can take proactive steps toward a healthier heart and a longer, more vibrant life. We discussed the dangers of certain breakfast foods, such as sugary cereals, processed meats, and breakfast pastries, which can elevate your risk of stroke and heart disease. These foods often contain unhealthy fats, excessive sugars, and high sodium levels, which can negatively affect your cardiovascular system. We emphasized the importance of making healthier breakfast choices, such as incorporating whole grains, fruits, and omega-3 rich foods into your morning routine. By prioritizing nutrient-dense options, you can support your heart health and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these health tips. Your support helps us continue providing valuable content to improve heart health and well-being. Let's make informed dietary choices to work towards a healthier future. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.